Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to import passwords and bookmarks into the Mozilla Firefox web browser from other web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, i-click mo lang tong 3-line icon na to, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito lang sa left side menu. And then dito sa right side ay select mo lang dito yung import browser data. Okay, so import bookmarks, passwords, history, and autofill data into Firefox. So dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong import data. Okay, so click lang natin yan. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan na import browser data. So ito yung other web browser sa mga kaibigan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong plus sign na import all available data. So click mo lang tong plus sign and then pop up ito mga kaibigan. Okay? So kung paano ba natin i-import yung bookmarks and save passwords ay kailangan mo na itong naka-check dapat. Ito siya. So check mo tong, pwede mo namang i-select dito yung option na select all, or pwede ko namang mag-select dito ng bookmarks and then yung password. And then next ay click mo lang tong import. Ayan. So ganun lang po kasimple on how to import passwords and bookmarks into Mozilla Firefox. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.